Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie.
Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is extra exciting because I'm partnering with Feelook Art as part of their summer collaboration campaign. They reached out to me and asked if I'd like to participate, and of course I said yes. I love sharing new diamond painting kits with you, and this one is absolutely beautiful. So let's get into the unboxing, the details of their summer sale, and the canvas I chose. Feelook Art reached out to me and asked if I would participate in their summer sale. This is one of their biggest promotions and the savings are really good. Here's how the sale works. Spend $100, you save 20%. Spend $150, save 25%. Spend $200, save 30%. Plus, every qualifying order of $100 or more receives a free $15 gift card. It's valid for 465 days and you can use it on future qualifying purchases. And if you place qualifying repeat orders, you can earn additional free $15 gift cards. So it's a great time to stock up if you've been eyeing any of their kits. Now let me show you the kit they sent me. They gave me the opportunity to choose one canvas design out of 6, and I picked the one inside this box. This is the box, still wrapped in the plastic covering. It's a simple blue box with a quote, "Every diamond you place is a small step towards something extraordinary." Nothing on the top or bottom, but on the side, there it is, the design I chose, Blush Orchid Glass. This canvas is 68 by 88 centimeters or 26.8 by 34.6 inches, and it's a round drill kit. On the back of the box, you can see the steps for creating a diamond art canvas and a list of the contents inside. I'm going to open this up, lay everything out, and then I'll walk you through what's included. Okay, this is the box. I opened it. It is very sturdy, and it says, "When tiny sparkles become masterpieces." An instruction booklet, and it gives you the step-by-step instructions on how to do the diamond painting and kit contents. And here you can record your start and completion date. They also have their Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. And here are their stickers with an image you can put in your logbook. Blush Orchid Glass. It has 43 colors. It has the plastic covering to keep it protected, the drills, the tweezers. Okay, so it came with a toolkit, and the toolkit was open. I'm sure no fault to anyone. It looks like they were trying to put a lot in here. It came with 2 trays. And I dropped that. I'll get that. The tweezers fell out because the toolkit was already open. It comes with 2 trays and, interestingly, putty. I thought this was interesting. Look, it's sticky. So I believe it's putty. Not a wax. The tweezers that fell out. No damage done. We have a plastic cover. They give us some baggies. No diamond painting pen unless it fell out in the canvas. Let's get that. Let's roll this. This is pretty. It has nice soft backing, clear symbols. I think that's going to be gorgeous. Those orchids are beautiful. I'm very impressed with the canvas so far. And let's look at the drills. No dimples. These are resin drills. Okay, so those are all the drills, the canvas. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna place some drills on the canvas, do some of it, and then I will come back and let you know my thoughts on the actual drills, glue, and grid. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. And first, I want to say again, thank you to Feelook Art for contacting me, inviting me to be part of their summer collaboration campaign, and sending me this kit. I really appreciate it. The other thing is, I did find the pen with the pink top next to the tweezers, and it's like a putty wax mix. It's really interesting. The 2 trays and then the sticker book. So we finished the kit up, and now I'm going to go over to the canvas and show you the section that I worked on. Okay, this is the canvas, and I worked on this lower right section. Let me pan in so you can see it up close. I was very impressed. I had very few trash drills, and the majority of this section is 310s, which can sometimes be hit or miss depending on the manufacturer. But these were great. The drills placed nicely, the glue was smooth, and the symbols were easy to read. I'll take a couple pictures so you can see how sparkly it is, because the camera doesn't always capture the shine as well as photos do. Overall, I'm really happy with this kit, from the canvas quality to the drills to the packaging. And with their summer sale going on right now, plus the free gift cards, it's a great time to check out Feelook Art if you've been curious about them. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and checking out this beautiful Feelook Art kit. If you enjoyed this unboxing and review, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, or subscribe if you'd like to see more diamond painting content. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next video.